I'm here with Graham Knowles, who's responsible for importing Loewe into the UK. Graham, you're going to tell us a little bit about the positioning and the design of Loewe, which is a brand that's a little bit different than everybody else.
Absolutely. The Loewe brand has always distinguished itself as a brand that sits above most of the more well-known brands in the UK. One of our core values with Loewe is not just performance, it's design and its flexibility. We like to offer our customers, the end users, a choice. We want something that looks as desirable when it's switched off as when it's switched on. This particular product, the Individual 40, is pretty much typical of one of our best examples of our televisions, and it will be joined very shortly with some additional products which give customers a selection of even larger screen sizes and even better technology.
Sort of a little scoop for our readers and viewers in the coming months. They're going to follow that.
Great stuff.
Maybe you can explain. This is an all-encompassing system, and the box.
Absolutely, the box here is a stand designed to accommodate some products which give our television an expansion of functionality. It integrates audio and video so that it can be very simply controlled and provide very high quality in a very minimalist kind of fashion. The box in here actually houses a subwoofer which powers all the loudspeakers in the audio system, and a control product which we call the Arrow, and the Arrow behaves as your, if you like, your home entertainment centre. It takes DVD, CD, radio, etc. And it provides, again, a level of flexibility and choice which you do not get from other manufacturers.
Maybe you can comment a little bit. Everyone's saying 1080p, 1080p. Maybe you can give us a little bit of insight, the positioning on Loewe on that subject.
As a premium manufacturer, Loewe have to develop and push forward the boundaries of performance. So Loewe do have a selection of screens which will be full high definition or 1080p compatible. Our existing range supports 720p and 1080i, but there are caveats with high-end, high-definition panels. It's very difficult to show a conventional TV picture well with some of these high-definition panels. The level of processing required and the motion processing is extremely difficult to achieve. And that's an area where Loewe have a particular expertise, so much so that even companies like Sharp decided rather than develop it themselves, they'd buy part of Loewe and help them develop it jointly. So we have a joint R&D team who work on projects which may be used in either or both brands. We feel that what the customer should get when they get home is everything that they saw when they were presented with the product in the store, and that's something I don't think other manufacturers can always achieve.
And that's where the content is today, anyway. So that's the discussion
exactly.
we've been having since the beginning of the show here. In fact,
that's absolutely right.
So we'll be looking forward to getting a little more information as the new sizes. Can you give us a little bit of indication where it's going to go?
We're in the process of organising what we call a pre-launch of some new products. We've carefully selected a small number of dealers in the UK to promote the latest variant of the Individual, which we call the Compose. That will be available very shortly in a 46-inch screen size with a 40-inch to follow a few weeks or a month or two later. And then we will see our reference range, Spheros, have an additional leap in performance technology with the same chassis, and that will be available probably a month or two after that. And then we will see Loewe at the pinnacle of its performance envelope at the moment, I think, with a standalone, totally unique range of products that include even high-definition decoders which are built into the chassis. So again, another first, I think.
That's great. Well, a lot of new things coming out. You're going to keep us posted.
It's very exciting.
We'll be bringing that to our readers in the coming months. Graham, thank you very much for this presentation. It's been a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you.